Great. So guys, the strategy that I'm using here is simple. A simple strategy. With this strategy, I made over $2,000. So $200,000. Sorry, over $200,000 in the last 2 months. All right. The strategy is simple. So as you can see, the parabolic SAR changed their position from this point to this point. All right. I'm having green, 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 green. I'm also using the RSI to detect the reversals. So when the market is reversing, the market is going up, and then boom, the market is going down. But the rules that I use are different from the rules that everybody use with the RSI. So everybody use that here the market's flipping. All right, here the market is flipping. Yep, I made $340. Let's open another trade, and now we continue. Let's open another trade, and I will continue. So I'm using the Bollinger Bands. Sorry, the Bollinger Bands. As you can see, the middle Bollinger, the most important one is the middle Bollinger Bands. This point when the market, when the market cross the middle Bollinger Bands, the RSI, the change in position, the chart patterns that I use are the most important stuff. So everything, all the rules that I use in this strategy is explained in details in the course in the description below. So in the description, I have a course where I will teach you everything I've been using on this strategy, everything I learned. So the strategy can also be used on Forex. So let's take this one. Yep, $430. So the strategy can be used on Forex, on crypto trading, on binary option trading, on stock trading, whenever there is what we call this, wherever there is a candlestick, wherever there is a candlestick here, here, and here, my strategy will work perfectly. You can use it. I use it on 1 minute chart pattern because it's fast. I make money fast. You can use it on 5 hours, the 1 hour, the 1 day, the 15 minute also, the 30 minute, the 15 minute. You can use it on all the chart patterns or candlestick charts. All right. So as you can see, I'm trading on pound USD on OTC. Be careful on OTC. You can trade on OTC also. You can trade on normal days. So I'm trading on binary option also. So let me see. So this one is 100% going down. So by the way, this is illegal for me to share my balance with the public because of the policies of iqoption. It's illegal. I don't know. I hope that they will not delete my account. So if I'm winning, I'm making $430. So I'm investing $500, and if I'm winning, I'm making $430. That's 86%. That's low, but that's okay. That's okay. Since I'm winning, that's a win-win for me. So this one is predicted to go down. Sorry, this one is predicted to go down. I'm investing $500. That's $430. Yep. Let's go. So also this one is also going down. So there is a small reversal here. So this one is 100% going down. Don't worry. I know the colors of this. All the colors here. I know the exact colors of each candle. From the signal, of course. Not all the candles. Each candle from the signals. I can predict at least 8 or 9 candles, 7 candles, 9 candles, 8 candles. I can predict the color. So here I can predict more. I can predict, like, I still know the next 3 candles. So perhaps this one, yeah, $430. Let's go. This one is going up. This one, I know the colors of the next one, and then the next one, and then we stop. Remember, guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not sharing with you these videos to tell you that it is possible to make this amount of money in your first day. No, binary option is risky. You could lose your money. Please remember, these videos are simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option. This is possible. Everything you see in here is possible, but without a good strategy, without mastering, without practice, without good indicators, good way to use the indicators, I don't guarantee you that you are going to make these results. Nothing is guaranteed. Remember, nothing is guaranteed with binary option. So you need to master a good strategy. You need to spend time, practice and practice and practice, and hopefully with time you will make some money. Yeah, hopefully you make some money. But for the moment, let's go. For the moment, at the beginning, once you got my strategy, you need to practice on demo account. Keep practicing. Never use your real money. Practice on demo account, and hopefully by the end you will make at least some profitable trades. Let's go. So this one is also going down. So look. So of course this one is going down. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. Yep. I still have another position. Yep. This one, this is going to be, I guess, this is the last one for today. Let's see if I'm making a profitable trade. Let's see. So this one is supposed to go up. I'm 100% about it. This one is 100% going up. So I had this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So I don't remember. At the beginning of this session, I had 200 and I don't know, 28,000, perhaps 220. I made at least 3,000. I guess I made at least $3,000. At least $3,000. All right. Yep. As predicted, $430. Again. Yeah. I still have, or you know what? I will stop.